Today's FreeCodeCamp daily challenge problem on FreeCodeCamp platform. The problem is message validator. So, simplifying the description, we are given a message string which is made up of words separated by single spaces. Also, we are given a validation string made of letters. Now, the valid condition is there are two conditions for the message string and validation string to be valid. The count of words in the message must be exactly equal to the length of the validation string, and for each word I, which is 0 indexed by default, the first letter of word I must be equal to the ith letter of the validation string. Here another hint is letters are case insensitive, like we treat capital A as lowercase a. Words are split by single spaces only. Punctuation attached to the end of a word does not affect the first letter. And we have an example walkthrough the notepad. Now I convert this message string into array. I get here I am splitting this according to the message string. Here hello and world are two words, so I have two string elements in my array. Now the validation string is HW. Here my array length is 2. String length is 2. Now comparing the corresponding indices, the first letter in the first string element of the array is H. Again, in the validation string, the first letter is H. The world, which is the second string element, the first letter is W. Again, in HW, the second letter is W. Here the lengths are same, the lengths are equal, the corresponding letters in the corresponding indices are equal, so this returns true. Now let's see for a case when it becomes false. Again, I convert this into array of words. And this one becomes a word. So this is my array. Now length of this array is 4. Again, here the validation string is CCA. Now comparing the lengths, the string length is 3. Here the lengths are not equal, so this is outright a false test case. Returns false. Here, if for this validation string to be true, when we add B, it becomes a true test case, because from coding the first letter is C, from challenge the first letter is C, from R it is A, but B is missing here, so it is a false test case. Now going to the coding part, I declare a function. I'm writing this code in JavaScript. I declare words, a variable words, to split the message string into two parts. If words.length I return false. And using a for loop in JavaScript, we use let to declare the pointers or variables. And again I declare array for converting these words into array elements. I'm converting the first letter only to lowercase for normalization, but this is case insensitive according to the problem. Even this one to lowercase. Again, when I run this test, so this is all about today's daily challenge problem on FreeCodeCamp.